Hi everyone, it's Mel. Today I'm going to share with you the benefits of adding wax melts or tarts to your product line. The market for melts is a growing industry forecasted to reach $5.2 billion by 2025 and adds a fun new option to the already booming home fragrance industry. In addition to being beautiful to look at and coming in a variety of fun shapes and scents, wax melts provide a cost-effective and fire hazard-free alternative to adding a sensory experience to a home, office, or retail space. Here are some of the amazing benefits of adding wax melts or tarts to your current product line. Number 1. Low overhead costs. Tart molds and clamshells are extremely affordable and can be reused multiple times, making them extremely cost-effective. Number 2. They can be made from scrap wax or repurposed wax. Wax from other projects can be used, eliminating additional waste and providing an eco-friendly and sustainable product. Number 3. Requires minimal testing and time in development. Unlike candle making or body care, no additional testing is required to create wax melts, saving time and energy in production. Number 4. They have a low price point, giving them a novel nature. They can be sold at a lower price point, incentivizing customers to continue purchasing in order to collect a variety of fragrances. Number 5. They encourage repeat customers. The novel nature encourages repeat customers by providing new scent options and the necessity for refills, also making them excellent for a subscription. Now that you know the benefits of adding wax melts or tarts to your product line, we can't wait to see what you create. What's your favorite benefit? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay in the know on all the latest makers tips and tricks. Now, go make it happen.